This is what we need. Lots of rain. Look at that, you can't even see the town because of all the clouds and rain, and such a nice change from all the smoke. So let's hope that they're also, look, that's lots of rain coming off the gutter. So let's hope they're getting that down up in the northwest. Hey Pip, what do you think? You don't like it? Oh, alright then. Dylan, what are you doing? You gonna come out in the rain? Dylan, come say hello. Yeah, good boy. Where's Buffy? Buffy! Buff, buff. What you doing? Don't you want to be in there? Hello? You want to come outside? No? Oh, alright then. Okay, that'll do.